Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade iOS 27 beta to iOS 26 on iPhone without computer. So guys, if you want to downgrade from iOS 27 to iOS 26, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update, and then you have to simply tap on beta updates. And if it is on iOS 27 developer beta, then you have to simply check this to off button from here, or select the iOS 26 public beta from here. So guys, simply check this to iOS 26 public beta, and after this go back, and now you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So I simply restart your device with volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this your Apple device will be downgraded from iOS 27 to iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.